Here's a new 2020 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and make a statement that will make you stand out. After all, it's not bragging if it's true. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, leather steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection writes, Toyota Corolla continues to offer reliable, inexpensive transportation with a bit of flair and new, easy-to-use infotainment systems. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.